already did that. I already did that. I already did that. I already did that.
Believe that.
I already did that. I already did that. I already did that. I already did that.
Welcome back!
Today we're making vegan polenta and sausage ragu. We're going to start by bringing some water to a boil. Then add your polenta. Stir it to make sure there's no lumps. Add sea salt and black pepper. Continue to cook it on low heat for 30 minutes. Now I'm going to stir in some vegan butter and some cashew milk.
Give this video a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe.
For the ragu, I'm going to use some field roast sausage, brown them in a pan for a couple of minutes on each side. Remove the sausage and sit them to the side. To that same pan, I'm going to add some onion and bell pepper. Saute those for about 15 minutes, then add some better than bouillon. Now add some pasta sauce. Add some water, combine the sauce, and cover. Let it cook for 30 minutes. While the sauce is cooking, I'm going to slice the sausage.
Hey, Bobby, have you ever heard of Be For Real?
No, I haven't.
She has a vegan recipe channel as well. You should go check her out.
Okay, Fly Vegan family, let's go check out Be For Real. Subscribe to her channel.
Tell her Fly Vegan sent you.
I'll leave her link in the comments below. Add the sausage in as soon as the sauce is done. Now it's ready to serve.
Hey, Fly Vegan. I'm living my best life. I ain't going back and forth with you people. I'm living my best life.
Okay. Hey, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with a friend, and don't forget
To subscribe.